Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back to another video, and today I'm gonna be doing my phone unboxing. It's currently actually my lunch break, so I figured I might as well set up my new phone whilst I'm on lunch break. Then I can just leave my phone whilst I'm working. If you don't know, I work full-time, but today I'm working from home, so it's slightly different. For my birthday was literally on Monday. My parents got me the phone that I wanted, which was the iPhone Pro Max in the color graphite, and I'm so excited to unbox this. I waited until this video to unbox this, so yeah, I'm really excited. And if you didn't know, I'm filming on my new camera as well, because that was my birthday gift to myself, and I'm very excited. I got a good deal for it. It's a used camera, but I'm very excited for the content that I'm going to produce. But yeah, if you're interested in watching me unbox this phone and put on a phone case and all that good stuff, keep on watching. So my plan for this video is to unbox the phone, show you guys the phone case I'm using, put on my screen protector, and that's about it. In terms of transferring stuff onto my phone, I feel like everyone sees that's boring, but I wanted to just and it's such an upgrade because right now I've got the iPhone 7, so yeah, it's time for an upgrade, and now I'm gonna be using this one. I'm so excited. But yeah, let's unbox. I'm gonna rip this up. Okay, time to open it. I'm so excited. Oh my god, guys, I'm not even ready. I don't even want to touch it. Like, it's that beautiful. It's so sexy. Oh my god, I'm so excited to use the camera because my camera right now is so crap. Look at the size difference between, let me take the case off, because look at the difference in phones sizes. Like, it's so much bigger than the other one. I'm so excited to use this. I'm so excited. Okay, so I've unboxed it. My camera cases haven't come yet, so I'll probably do that later on in the day, but I'm so excited to use this phone. You can see the reflection of my camera right now. It's absolutely mad. But look at how, oh my god, the size is just so sleek. I love it. And I love the color. Like, it's just a bit of me, because I can switch up the color whenever I want to. And it's just the right size for me. Like, it's not too big for me. It's a big phone, but I feel like I'm already used to the size of the phone, if that makes sense. Like, I don't know. But this is the difference in size. This is the iPhone 7, and this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Yeah, this was for my 21st. If you didn't know, I turned 21, so it was a big deal. So especially because I couldn't have a party. I'm gonna put this back on until I get the screen protector, because I ain't trying to ruin this phone. I'm gonna put it back in the box. But if you didn't know, the box comes with just the wire like this, and obviously the thing to unlock the SIM card. So yeah, it doesn't come with the actual plug socket, which I totally understand. People have been complaining about it, but I totally understand, because we've got so many of those and we need to try and save the planet. So that's how I feel about that one. I'm gonna place this back exactly how it was, back in the phone case, and I'm gonna wait until my actual case comes so I can properly set it up. So if the lighting changes or whatever, I don't know what time this case is arriving. I've ordered 2 cases and I've ordered 3 screen protectors, so I can interchange them when I need to, and I don't have to worry about that for a while. And if I want to switch up phone cases, I can, because I've ordered a green one, which I'll post a picture of, and a clear one, so I can actually see the color of the case, because I actually like the phone color in itself. So when I want to see the actual phone color, I've got the clear case, and when I want to switch up the color, I've got the other case, and gradually I can just have a few cases over time to develop like a mini case collection, because I'm having this phone for years. This phone costs monies and top of monies. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit once I'm setting up my phone. I don't know whether to sync it right now whilst I'm on my lunch break, or wait till I've got my actual case and then set it up, because I don't want to break this phone. I'm so clumsy as a person. I'm scared I just might drop it once it's synced. But if I just put it in the middle of my bed, there's no way. That's what I'm gonna do. Right, I'm gonna sync my phone over right now and begin the process, because apparently it takes a while to sync over. I think it's this the right button. Okay, it's turning on. Apparently if you put the phones side by side, they sync up. So I don't know if that will work or not, but we'll see. Swipe to open. English, obviously. UK, gang gang gang. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this phone to sign in and set up. Okay, I'm gonna put it side by side. Oh, it's right there, look. Don't know how you guys can see, but it's saying to set up the phone, so I'm gonna continue. Okay, hold your new phone up to the camera. Okay. I love the screen on this. It's so sleek. Oh my god, I just love it. I just love it. Okay, it says it's gonna take a few minutes to activate. It'll take a few minutes to activate the phone, so I'm gonna leave it to its thing and go and have lunch, because I've yet to have lunch. It's worked. Hold on, we're back. It's saying Face ID now, so I'm gonna set that up. Okay, first scan complete. Second scan complete. Okay, the Face ID is now set up. Continue. Transfer data from phone. If you're moving from iPhone, you can transfer all data and settings directly to this phone. Estimated transfer time 10 to 15 minutes. Why is everyone saying it takes long? Apparently it doesn't. We shall see. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this and get back to you guys when it's set up. I'll set up later. Apple Wallet. Not now, I'll do that later. iPhone analytics. No, don't share. Okay, it's now transferring, as you can see. I'm excited. I'm so excited. I can't wait. I can't wait for my new phone. I actually can't wait. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. I really need to eat. Okay, so my phone has now been set up. Shout out to my picture. Oh my god, I need to change that. That was a joke a while back. Anyway, I need to insert the SIM card and everything, but I'll just do that in my own time, because I'm still on my lunch break right now. But yeah, I'll probably come back when I've actually got the phone case and everything, so I can show you guys that before closing out the video, because I'm just so excited. Oh my god, it just looks so much better. Oh my god. Okay, so I think my phone case arrived, so time to finish this unboxing video. Yay! It's all here. I don't know whether to go for the clear case first or the green case, but me and my friend Hannah were arguing about the green case, so I think I'm gonna use that first. Why do they look like different sizes though? Did I order the wrong case? No, 12 Pro Max, yeah. They look smaller. Okay, I'm opening it. Oh. Yes, this is exactly what I had envisioned. This is not doing it justice. Oh my god. Oh my god. Time to put it in. That's how it looks. Go focus. Focus on me. That looks, it's so cute. Oh my god, I love it. I love this color. I saw this color online and I was like, I have to. I'm still getting used to this camera, like the viewfinders on top of the camera, which I'm not used to, so I'm still getting used to looking at the lens. But looking at the lens here, it's a close up. But yeah, my phone is fully set up now. Just use my face to unlock it. I'm still in the process of organizing it, but that's me when I was younger. Why does it look so weird when I put it on? I think it's reflecting off, but hey, I'm gonna sort out my phone, but it's working now. But before I even use it like that, I need to put my screen protector on. So I've got the tempered glass screen protector. My battery's running low. Let me quickly, I'm gonna see if my other battery works for this camera. Hold on. Okay, so my other battery doesn't work, so I'm gonna quickly put the screen protector off camera and then quickly show you guys before ending the video. But this is the brand I got it off Amazon. Gonna quickly take that off and then show you guys the final results and then end the video. Okay, so I just put the screen protector and the phone case on, so now my phone is full protected and I can finally use it. So I think that's it when it comes to the video. I haven't honestly watched unboxing videos like that, but people like them. I don't know if I missed anything. I can do what's on my iPhone, but I need to download apps for that first because I don't have anything right now. But yeah, that's how my phone's looking currently. I'm really happy. Oh, it feels so good to have a phone that works properly for everything that you want it to do. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video because my battery's about to die. Gave it up to somebody who didn't deserve my body. You gon' have to lend a shoulder.